10 Biggest Home Buying Deal Breakers. By popular vote, here are the things that you absolutely will not stand for when buying a home. The truth is, most home buyers actually don't mind buying a fixer-upper. They are okay with putting some TLC into a home they plan to stay in for a while. But they can only tolerate so much, which means there are some things when looking for a house that are instantly going to turn them off. So, if you're in the market to buy in the next several years, keep an eye out for these issues when house shopping. And if you're selling, make sure your property doesn't check too many of these boxes. The biggest deal breaker for home buyers is exterior issues. Things like siding or masonry issues are usually very costly and something that home buyers are looking to avoid. Coming in second place are weatherproofing issues. Again, this can fall into the exterior category. If water or other elements are capable of entering the home, you are going to have trouble selling that property. Then it's the volume of repairs that home buyers are looking to avoid, followed closely by any foundation issues. Again, buyers are shopping with their wallets here and don't want to purchase a money pit. Then it's basically a tie between cracked walls and ceilings, bad remodel work, and any drainage issues. You can see a theme here. If your house has any issues with water or moisture, it's going to have a harder time selling. And then rounding out the deal breakers are the age of the home, structural issues, and uneven flooring. Basically, if the bones of the house are in trouble, so is your potential sale. Follow me for more real estate tips.